Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. So this is really easy. First you're going to be heading over to your Binance. Then you can see we have at our portfolio at the bottom right side of our screen. Now we are going to be clicking on take out, click on sell crypto or withdraw. So you're going to be clicking on withdraw, and you can see we have crypto or fiat. Since we want to send to our bank, we are going to be selecting fiat and click on sell crypto. Let's just say we have USD. Now you're going to be selecting the amount of USDT that you want to sell, or what you can do is you can also do your P2P trade, and that is also going to be helping you to simply send it to your bank account. And for that you're going to be heading over to sell crypto again. You can see you can select enter the amount and select receive method. So once you add your method, you're going to be able to, you can see we have P2P. Select your bank account from here, and pretty much everything is going to be showing up in here. So yeah, that's how you can easily transfer your USDT from Binance to your bank account.